There is someone in your life who hurt you so deeply that their face still appears in your mind even when you do not call for it. Maybe you have tried everything: therapy, journaling, positive affirmations. Maybe you have been prayed for the strength to forgive them. But still, when you think of them, something tightens in your chest. That anger, that grief, that quiet burning pain that simply will not leave. Yes, dear, I got you. And welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. I am Arpita Bhattacharya, Ho'oponopono Healing and Inner Authority Coach. Today, I'm going to share with you the advanced Ho'oponopono forgiveness prayer. Yes, a very deeper, more powerful healing that will help you finally release the pain you have been carrying for far too long. Dear friend, in Ho'oponopono, there is a truth that most people never teach you. And when you truly understand this truth, forgiveness will never feel the same again. It will be so easy for you. Here it is. That person who hurt you is not separate from you in the field of consciousness. Let me explain this. As per Ho'oponopono, we have three parts of self. The first is your conscious mind, the thinking, the aware part of you. The second is your subconscious mind, your inner child, the one who holds every memory, every experience you have ever lived. And the third is divinity, the infinite intelligence, the God force within you that already knows how to heal everything. Now, dear, when someone hurts you, your subconscious records that experiences as memory. Not just a memory, a dangerous memory, a painful data file. And here is the advanced teaching. That person, that relationship, that painful experience is appearing in your life because there is a memory inside you that is calling it forward like a magnet. You are not a victim here. You are a powerful creator, and your subconscious data has been creating this experience from the inside out. Now, I know what you are thinking. Arpita, does it mean it is my fault? And I want to say you very clearly that तुम दोषी नहीं हो. You are not guilty. This memory may not even be yours alone. This may have been passed down to you from your mother, from your grandmother, from your generations before you. Women who felt the same pain and never had the tool to heal it. In Ho'oponopono, we call this ancestral memory. And today, when you do this forgiveness prayer, you are not just healing yourself, you are healing your entire generations. Every woman who came before you, every woman who will come after you. Now let me share something truly beautiful with you. Dr. Yalikala Hewlett, the great Ho'oponopono master, once healed the entire ward of criminally insane patients in Hawaii without ever meeting them. He simply looked at each patient's file and cleaned whatever across inside himself. I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you. And one by one, those patients began to heal. Because, dear, when you heal the memory inside you, the outer reality shifts. That is the miracle of Ho'oponopono. Science is all about inside out. So, now, dear, let us do this advanced forgiveness prayer together. This time, we are not just saying the four phrases, we are going deeper. Sit comfortably wherever you are. Take a deep breath in, release, close your eyes, and now bring that person to your mind, the one who hurt you. And this time, instead of seeing them as separate from you, I want you to see them as a mirror. They came into your life to show you something inside you that needed healing. Just breathe. Place your right hand on your heart and now speak to the memory, not to the person, but to the data inside you. I'm sorry for all the memories inside me that created this painful experience. I'm sorry for the ancestral wounds, the generational data, the old beliefs that said I was not worthy of love. Please forgive me. Thank you for this awareness. Thank you for the opportunity to heal today. Not just for me, but for my entire generations. Every woman carried the same pain and never found peace. I love you. Now breathe again and say, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Keep breathing. And imagine With your every exhalation, the pain is dissolving, like a dark smoke gently leaving your chest. With each breath in, feel light entering, clean energy. One final time, say with me, I'm sorry, please forgive me. Thank you, I love you. Now imagine the person surrounded with soft golden light. You do not have to love them. You do not have to welcome them to your life back. You are releasing the memory inside you. Breathe in and release. Open your eyes, dear. In Ho'oponopono, we call the state after this deep cleaning the zero state. Zero. No memories, no pain, no past, just pure infinite love. That is where you just moved by the practice. Every time you do this prayer, you give yourself more love in this zero state. Dear friend, you are not just healing a relationship today, you are healing your entire generations. You are breaking the cycle that may have run for generations, and dear, you have the potential to heal anything and everything in your world. This is the magic. This is so wonderful, and you are doing the work. If this video touched your heart, please share it with 3 women in your life who are carrying the same pain. They need this healing too. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe right now. And every week I share Ho'oponopono healing practices and inner authority tools to help you to heal from inside out. Click the subscribe button below and hit the bell icon so you never miss a healing video. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I'm so grateful you show up for yourself today. See you next time. Bye bye. Once again, I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you.